What's up, everybody? Welcome to another week of the #1 show in the whole Caribbean. My name is Kruddy, and we are here at Tracks and Records now. This week, I have a wonderful guest host with me. As you can see to my left, we have the lovely Denyque. But before Denyque even say a word, you guys have to keep watching Pree Dis, because very soon we'll be launching our Valentine's promotion, which is Win a Date with the lovely Denyque. Denyque, what's up?
Hi, Kruds. Thank you for having me.
Always a pleasure.
And thank you, guys. We're here in Usain Bolt's Tracks and Records today. You're watching Pree Dis. Pree Dis starts now. It's the finest in entertainment and lifestyle. Give it locked. Don't move our muscle.
So, my viewers, we're here at Usain Bolt's Tracks and Records, the lovely Denyque and the amazing Kruds. Now, Denyque, you never got permission for me to launch this whole campaign, Win a Date with Denyque. Tell me about that.
No.
Oh, choose right. She choose our words, careful. We're keeping it on the show. We have the highlights of the opening of the retail store down there by my favorite company, Lime, Jamaica. So you, all my viewers, check out this one. Denyque, Kruds, we look good, don't it?
We're a growing telecoms company. I mean, we've almost doubled our mobile subscribers over the past year, and we have to be what our customers need, right? So we did a lot of research with the customers, research with the employees, and we came up with this customer-driven design. We gave them opportunity that, for instance, they're able to touch and feel the devices. They're to turn on every device, feel what they want to do, see if it fits their lifestyle. If they're a student, if they're a small business enterprise, you're able to mix all of that here with the guidance of our warm customer service reps, and they're able to deliver all that in one package and give you a fabulous, memorable customer contact experience.
What a time, what a time, what a time, what a time. Oh, man, I combine. Wanna live this moment till the end of time.
We spent about $50 million in terms of renovating this, because we did some stuff on it. It was a very old building, and it was one of the hardest buildings to work with. What I can tell you is you will see a lot of columns in this place, right? And in terms of store architecture, columns are a no-no. But what we did was we looked at the column infrastructure and we decided to utilize them. And as you can see, we have fixtures made into the columns, so we made them utilitarian, but it's iconic in its design. This is going to be the prototype where we roll out across Jamaica.
Swag ever clean, never trendy. Money long from center, must go to Senti. God bless the life I'm living is show. Only thing that I'm missing is you.
Me they up right, yes, I right beside of you. Anything, so what you want to do. I'm feeling it in your...
I'm the maddest store I see so far, I swear. I'm thinking about coming to get something here soon, really soon, for Christmas, maybe.
What do you think of the new Lime store?
It's pretty cool, exciting, and it's the touching edge technology. It's really interactive.
I see you're a tech fan.
Yes. I like the camera. It's very clean. The camera on this one, it's like it's a reality shot.
The information technology age is also about a lifestyle.
We're here tonight to unveil the most modern, I believe, in-store telecommunication customer experience with this innovative refresh of our flagship Carlton store. And notice I didn't say the most modern in-store telecommunication experience in Jamaica or in the region, because I believe it is, bar none, one of the best retail experiences anywhere in the world, and you will see for yourself.
You're feeling it, don't hold back, baby, just deal with it.
What a time, what a time, what a time, what a time. Man and woman combine. Wanna live this moment till the end of time.
What a time, what a time, what a time, what a time. Oh, man I combine. Wanna live this moment till the end of time.
What a time, what a time, what a time, what a time. Wanna live this moment till the end of time.
All right, guys, I've been to the Lime store and it looks amazing. Big ups to Lime. Make sure you go check it out now. Coming up next is one of my favorite Jamaican female artists, Tanya Stevens. Her new album, Guilty, is newly released, so you better go get that as well. Tanya talks about her life as an artist, her journey as an artist, and what it was like being a guest judge on Rising Stars. Listen up.
Here, nails, clothes, my ride, my liquor, all check, man I get tech.
I completed my album, Guilty, and it's being released digitally, all major platforms, on the 20th of December.
So me still a ride, still a bump on the side, still a ding a guy. Middle of the night, still a moonlight. Nah, apologize to no girl when I feel me. Them girl, they no real, me no penny them. Me nah look no friend, me no par again. No mix up and blend, stand far again. From the old crib it, them me read a trad with a pen well long till it bend. No fear of being a style, cause hard work me wear. Make them go and chat like them things say me care. While me I go through with me hand in the air. How am I tell them? All upside down, making it tick. Shameless, unapologetic. A girl a kick and a scream, I say forget it. Now fight and me still alright. A man lay careless, me a big grab that. I know who, I know which, me can have that. Security dip on the job, me still rap that. Now fight and me still alright. Some me loud, they make them talk, no man. Them done prove them a dog, so make them bark, no man. Beat them gum until it's soft, no man. Now when me put it on, tell them take it off, no man. Cause you see that work there?
Well, over the years, I've been not so proud recipient of a lot of accusations. And, you know, me stay ready, me defiant. You know, me not really business with people, and I don't think people have a right for business with me. I just get up and take up all of my accusations and just meld them into one like a ball and say, you know what, all right, me guilty. Me go make my album, and me just lay out a few things. Me guilty of many things where people accuse me of, but not in the way they mean for it to be to be interpreted. Me a human rights advocate because me a human, and I believe everybody have the same rights. And I me say fun, me a girl, and me enjoy being a girl. When me do my thing without apology. So you don't know an apologetic of it. And you know the whole me try to run as much of the game out as me can without being, you know, repetitive, because of course many of the topics me touch already, so me will give them a break and then come back. 16 tracks on the album, and I had a wide variety of producers on this one, and many of them we haven't even met yet. But of course locally me have Serrani, produce a tune on the album named Bible or the Gun, and I have a tune with Sanjay, and I have another Goofy from a band. Big up Goofy, Richard Goofy Campbell from Obey, produced 2 tracks. He made a beat for 2 tracks. Kappa Shan, big up yourself, because I fall in love with the rhythm. The way name again, Pepper Pot, and heard it, and I chased down that rhythm for like a year and odd, and I finally find Kappa Shan, and him produce a track on the album. So yeah. Well, every album I do, I have a certain amount of pressure, but it's internal. I'm very competitive when it comes to myself. I try to top myself. And when it comes to my work, that's where my ego stand up. I feel like I'm big and bad and bossy enough. I can put on something where when I stamp it, I feel proud. Regardless of what anybody says, I feel proud because I know I'm put on a monument. Rising Stars, oh my goodness, what do I say about Rising Stars? I enjoyed working with the judges, my fellow judges, and the guest judge them, especially Vegas. Him have me a crack up the whole night. It was fun. I like the next to Anthony because I get to hear the stuff that I can't hear if I was sitting at home watching on TV. And believe me, Anthony have an endless number of comments. We're not going to get fear. That's why I love Anthony. And, you know, it was really, really fun. Yeah, this is Tanya Stevens and you're watching Pree Dis, keep it locked. What say?
Alright, so as I say, you're watching Pree Dis Caribbean alongside one of dancehall reggae finest, Denyque. And now it's Denyque time to buy me a drink before we go for our first commercial break because my broke. Denyque, what you say?
Ew.